Okay, your car.
Good morning and welcome back to Jordan's Circle. Today we're moving. Y'all, I'm so tired. It's like 9:45 right now. I'm actually gonna get the keys. First and foremost, if you're new here, thank you for coming on this journey with me. Welcome to Jordan's Circle. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. If you guys want to skip to when I actually move in, skip to this number right here. But I'm gonna show you guys like over the next few days me like packing and getting ready, and then like the actual like empty apartment tour. So come on, let's go get the keys. Hey y'all, so this is Wednesday. It's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 4 days until I move. I just wanted to show you guys like my progress. I actually went and seen the apartment yesterday. It's almost finished. It's so cute. It's definitely smaller than what I'm in now, but it's giving like the aesthetic that I want and that I was going for originally. So it really doesn't matter, it's only me anyway. But I want to show you guys the progress with packing. I told you guys it's Wednesday, but really no progress because I've been doing this by myself and I just really don't be feeling like it. But let me show y'all what I've done so far. Okay, so yeah, kitchen is not packed. Okay, I'm selling this couch. If you guys know anyone that wants to buy this damn couch, please let me know. TV's still on the wall. Yeah, also selling that. If you guys want it, let me know. So yeah, this is how the living room is looking. Actually, nothing is packed over here. Okay, so I'm actually gonna do a voiceover now. This is just my laundry, my bathroom that still wasn't packed. Let's see, then we're gonna go to my room, which definitely still wasn't packed. Y'all, I don't know why I thought like 4 days was gonna be enough time to pack, because honestly, it wasn't. And I was really BSing, but you know, it's whatever, it's cool, it got done. But yeah, like I just started rapping, so I was like, it's no point of me like giving y'all the full rundown, so let me just do a voiceover real quick. But yeah, like this is me still talking probably about nothing, like what. But yeah, now I'm about to pack for real. Okay y'all, so moving day is tomorrow, but I had to come get my lashes done first. Period. This is my lash tech. Her name is Brianna and she's that girl. She does waxes, so y'all come get y'all wax Wednesday. Look at all the snacks. I'm about to get me a snack for the ride home. She's in Baltimore and she's the best at what she does. So if y'all don't come to her, then y'all lashes probably look a mess. But yeah, I'll be back when we move tomorrow. So
1912. That's literally what this says.
hey y'all, so we have the packing crew. The packing crew is here.
I don't want to be a part of the packing crew, I'm gonna be honest. But for all the other aren't in the packing crew, why you not here? What you doing?
Oh, packing crew. My dad, packing crew.
Does he know you have a vlog?
Yeah, he watches it, don't you?
That's so nice.
Jordan's Circle, we moving tomorrow, y'all. So let me show y'all what we got done so far.
What, nothing?
So, ignore that. So KP's wrapping the glasses. Shout out to her. She worked at Crate and Barrel.
Don't tell me about my business.
Okay, hard worker.
Beverly's cleaning the refrigerator. Let's see. And the house is still just a mess, but we're getting somewhere.
This says February 2022.
The room is pretty packed up. So.
Is it on?
Get
right, y'all, so empty apartment tour. This is the kitchen. Beautiful. We got hardwood floors. We got nice light fixtures. This is so cute. I didn't have this in my last apartment. So you guys, I will say this is a little smaller than my other apartment, but it's so cute. Like, this is the room, the bedroom. And then here's the closet. Pretty good closet space. Let's see if there's a light switch. Yeah, so here's the closet, y'all. Ooh, so cute. So now we're gonna go to the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom, you guys. The bathroom is also smaller than my last bathroom, but it's really fine. Like, it's just me in here. I don't care. Shower. Yes, we have the linen closet. I'm a fan. I am a fan. I'm so excited. This is laundry and stuff. So they did tell me I had, I could request new laundry units. So I think I'm gonna do that. But the kitchen, you guys, is like, y'all know I don't cook for real, but the kitchen is hot shit. This is my most laziest mover. He's moved nothing yet, but yes. So I'm gonna come back and sit down with you guys. I gotta get to work. Tim, you wanna say anything?
What's up, Jordan Circle? You know, I'm just here for the vibes. I'm really not moving nothing. Can't lie to you.
All right, y'all. So I'm gonna check back in later. look at him trying to move the camera. Tim, you cannot do that.
Girl. See, I can live it, but I need you to push it.
He's blowing my shit.
Girl, okay, your car will be heavy.
Okay, now I'm coming. Oh my God. Himself, y'all.
All right, wait till I'm on the couch and
Climb and do what?
push it. But wait till I, okay, good. Wait till I, lift it up.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time you're waking up. Found you wasn't breathing, waking up. Now you feel set up, baby, miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something? If a body is what we can have it, that's all I take you there. Show you something, give you more than once. We can have it, that's all I take you there. It's so quiet.
Alright, y'all, so let me show y'all what we got done so far. What you just do?
Shot tequila.
Shot of Clyde. Okay. So we got all our
Cool as
helpers.
Chase back.
This is Rob. I'm gonna have his @ name down there. We got AJ in the back. Too cool for school.
This is what I was looking for right here.
Tim is so tired.
Before you do anything else, I want you to order the pizza.
Oh yeah, let me order this. All right, y'all. So this is what we got. Huh?
Bigger than the other one. So that's
I don't know. Let's see. All right, y'all. So RIP to 438, man. It's been a ball. It's been a blast. But all good things come to an end. You have any parting words you want to say to the people?
It's been a lot of memories here. I'm actually a little sad that we are leaving. This is Jordan's first apartment, y'all. So say congrats to her at 23. She got her first apartment. Period. Bye, private 4:30.
So y'all, today has been all over the place, but just to show y'all what we got done so far, the TV in the living room is up. I'm gonna get something to hide the cords. The couch is in. Cameron is not doing anything.
I did tons today. I just want y'all to know that.
She did the whole kitchen, actually. Her and Monet did the kitchen. So
I think Monet, I'm gonna be honest. Monet did the kitchen. I did like 2 cabinets.
We got the bar stools. These actually came out really cute. They're from Overstock. But like when the whole house is done, I'm gonna like give y'all a real whole update, because like the room looks a mess, the bathroom looks a mess. Like the house is not it right now. But
what?
oh my god, they forgot the couch cushions. Dumb. Alright y'all, but I'm gonna close this vlog out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed moving in with me. And see y'all in the next video. Hey y'all, so it's actually a few days later. Sorry, I like still look a mess. Let me put a hat on. But I just couldn't end the vlog without saying like how extremely blessed I am. Like I am blessed. I'm grateful that I was able to move. I love this place already. It's only been a few days. I'm so thankful that, you know, I have great friends that came and helped me. My dad came, like all my friends that have been like supporting me and wishing me like luck and just saying all great things. Like I just am really appreciative. Like last year was a year for me, I'm gonna say that. So it's just like year 24, like it's up and it's stuck. Like more money, more blessings, more prosperity. Like it's really more life, and I think this is the start for me, and I just am glad that I get to bring you guys along. Y'all, I swear the next video I drop, my hair is gonna be done. I just had to get all this moving stuff out the way, because y'all know how that gets. It's so stressful. So I just want to say thank you to everybody in my corner, everybody in Jordan's circle, because like nothing goes unnoticed. Like I really appreciate everything. And I can't wait to show you guys after I finish decorating and, you know, the whole shebang. Like I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I loved my last place too. I really did. But I had to leave a lot of negative energy, and you gotta leave some shit behind. So I'm in a new space and a new era, and yeah, y'all, like I'm excited. I'm ready for this journey. So this is the real end to this vlog. I promise. It's over now, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.